week I'm testing the Volkswagen T-Roc. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the T-Roc there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of the outer two seats, and the central one is just behind the headrest. Now I found I could fit two child seats really nicely in the back here. One thing I really liked about it was that the siblings can actually touch, so it's nice for them to be able to hold hands if one of them is distressed. And legroom, we actually found it was smaller in here than in the T-Cross, and that's supposed to be the smallest SUV. So we found with a rear-facing child seat, a 182cm passenger can sit in front, but it is a bit of a squash. And on the driver's side, it's better to put the forward-facing there, because otherwise only a 162cm passenger can fit in front of a rear-facing child seat. Storage in the back of the T-Roc is quite minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back that has two cup holders. They're adjustable in size, so they will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a water bottle will fit too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are quite small in the back here. They will just hold a large refillable water bottle, although a 600ml fits better. In the front of the T-Roc, I now know why it's called T-Roc, because the cup holders in the central console here are such weird shapes that your coffee cup does rattle around while you're driving. It will just about hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle does fit, but it rocks around. The central console box behind it is really small. In front there is a phone charging well, and there's two USB ports there too. The glove box will hold my wallet with the manual, but an iPad won't fit. The door bins are a good size. They'll hold an iPad and a large refillable water bottle. Also, underneath the driver's seat is a great little drawer for storing your phone and things when you go to the park or the beach. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Volkswagen T-Roc. Empty will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 2 shopping bags, or a tandem pram and 4 shopping bags, or a single pram and 2 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a small dog. I love the way the T-Roc drives. It's really carefree, it's get in and go, and it doesn't feel like you've got all that cushioning that you find in most big SUVs. It's got a really nice little tight turning circle, and being a small SUV, it's really nice and easy to park in schools and supermarkets and things like that. The media system in the T-Roc is nice and basic and modern and simple and easy to use. It does have CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great. It means you can get Spotify, Kids Listen, things like that while you're driving along. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You've got Park Pilot as well, and you can turn the parking sensors off the buttons on the screen or on the dashboard down here. So to sum up with the T-Roc, it's an enjoyable little car to drive. You can get those two child seats in nicely, and the media system and cameras are really good.